granddaughter needed a soccer rebound board to practice some drills. I went out on YouTube, I saw a couple of different videos on how to make these, kind of used little bits and pieces from other YouTube videos, and I made this one. It doesn't take very long to make. It took me about 2 hours. It's easy to set up. It's easy to take down. You can have it straight up and down to practice kicks going straight back on the ground, or you can bevel it like you see it here, and then you can kick against it and the ball will come up in the air. If you're interested in seeing how I made this, stick around. I'll take you through all the steps. Go to your local big box hardware store and buy the following. You'll need 2 pieces of 3/4 inch 24 by 48 inch rough plywood. I used 2 sets of 3-inch hinges. You can use whatever size you like. Just make sure that the screws aren't too long and won't go through the plywood. I also bought 1 3.5-inch swivel hasp. That brought the total project cost in at about $70. Take one of your 48-inch pieces of plywood and mark it diagonally from corner to corner. I offset the board that I used to make the line so I could use it as a guide to make a nice straight cut with my saw. You don't have to do this. You can easily cut this freehand as well without the guide. I took the second piece of plywood and I cut it off at 40 inches to make it just a little bit lighter. You could leave this at 48 inches if you prefer. Cut your 2 angled pieces down to 17 1/4 inch. Lay your 2 side wings on what will be the closed position on the back side of your rebound board. Mark where you want your hinges. In my case, they were 2 5/8 inches in from the side. Make sure that all your hinges are equal distance from the side. To mount the hinges, I first drilled some small pilot holes to make it easier to put the screws in. Mount the hinges with the included screws. Mount the side wings to the hinges. This might be easier if you have someone hold the side wing for you. I was able to use a long clamp. Repeat this process to mount the second side wing. Mount the swivel hasp to the closed wings. It's easiest to mount the long side first with the 3 screws. Determine where the swivel should be and then use the 4 screws to mount it. I put a handle hole on the top of the board to make it easier to carry. These are the dimensions I used. I used a 1 1/4 inch drill bit to drill out each side of the handle. Any drill bit will do, as long as the bit is big enough to allow you to insert the blade of your jigsaw to cut out the rest of the handle. Now you can complete the opening of the handle with the jigsaw. I used 100 grit sandpaper to knock the edges and the rough spots off of the handle. I didn't want any splinters when I picked this board up. Okay, that's it. At this point, you're essentially done. You can see that I put 2 hinges on each one of the wings here to give them a little bit extra support. Also, I would recommend that you sand off all of the edges really well. And the reason you want to do that is because plywood will tend to splinter and you don't want splinters in the kids' hands. The other thing I would recommend, especially because this is plywood, these edges here, if they get wet, will tend to separate. You don't want that to happen. So I'd put 2 or 3 good coats of polyurethane on there to protect this a little bit. Because let's face it, you may keep this in the garage, but the kids are going to take it outside and that's where it'll stay. There is one more optional step that I'm going to do. You may choose to do it or not. 3/4 inch plywood is pretty heavy. So, you know, I can handle this thing okay, but it would be a little bit heavy for kids. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to cut the middle of this out just like that and take this whole piece out of here. That'll take a couple of pounds of weight off of this unit. Totally optional. I'm going to show you how to do it. You decide if you want to do it or not. I started by marking off a 3-inch line around the perimeter of the wing. Next, I drilled a 1/4-inch hole in each corner to allow me to insert the blade of my jigsaw. Using the jigsaw, I cut from corner to corner. So that's all it took to cut this piece out of the middle of the wing here. Believe it or not, this piece alone weighs 2.5 pounds. So if you consider you're going to do that to both wings, you've just reduced the weight of this thing by 5 pounds. Here's a 360 view of what my final project looked like. So you can see here it's standing straight up. But if you flipped it over, that would give you the angle for the high bounce back shots. Hey, I hope this video was helpful to you. This was an easy project. I think your kids will get a lot of fun out of it, a lot of good soccer practice. If you like this video, don't forget, hey, leave me a thumbs up. I always appreciate that. Thanks for watching.